So I have these beautiful St. Patrick's Day candy apple bows to go on your candy apple sticks. But first, let me say good morning and happy Saturday. But first, let me introduce myself. I'm a DIY Queen Diva. Make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to keep updated with me and all of my videos on the weekends. So you will need your gold coins, scissors, your ribbon of 1.5 inches, and your hot glue gun. Okay, so I make these a little bit different. Instead of using my index and middle finger, I'm going to use all 4 fingers. So, okay. I'm going to come around all 4. So I'm going to come around. Let's push this up some. So I'm going to come around all 4. I'm going to go up in between the 2nd and 3rd finger. I'm going to come around. Go in between the 2nd and 3rd finger. Come back down. And then I'm gonna go in the middle of the 2nd, the middle and the 3rd finger. I'm gonna make my bow. And this is just making my bow bigger. I'm gonna make my bow. So I'm bringing my flap around. And then I'm gonna go up under my loop. Pull up, pull down, and I have my bigger bow. I'm gonna take my treat stick or your candy apple stick and fluff. I'm gonna do the same thing over on the other side and just fluff and straighten out the bow. I'm gonna make my tails even. I am going to take my gold coin and I am going to put a dab of hot glue on the back of the coin and attach it to the bow. And now I have my St. Patrick's fancy candy apple bow here, and that's it. It will take a lot of practice to get these bows together, to get them down pat. And this is what your bow should be looking like. Okay. Don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell. Make sure you tell your family and friends about my channel. Make sure you tune in Sunday, tomorrow, to watch how I will do my St. Patrick's Day candy apples to match these beautiful bows. Bye-bye, and you all have a fabulous weekend.